If I don't like this shit, get out. Stop crying about it. Mentality ng Pinoy, victim. Ito nangyari sa akin, hindi ko kasalanan. It's everyone's fault except mine. But if we just teach everyone, kung magandang buhay mo, ikaw yan. Kung pangit ang buhay mo, ikaw yan. If we just teach everyone and they start to own up this teaching, they start to really recognize that it is my personal responsibility to let go of my drama. Automatic drama eh. May sinabi lang, daming arte. Justification. They will do anything and everything to say, hindi, mahirap na talaga kami. I mean, kung yan ang gusto mo, hindi kita tutulungan kasi yan ang gusto mo. Pero kung yan hindi mo gusto, pakawalan mo na. Kasi in the end, we see a lot of people who created the best life ever from the worst life simply because, again, it's a matter of the way we think. Daming excuses sa buhay. But a lot of times, people tend to believe their BS. And the biggest BS here is hindi ko kaya. Buti ka, gwapo ka. Buti
rich kid ka kasi.
Oh, ang daming ganon. Kasalanan ko ba naging rich kid ako? In the end, we all have. May kilala ka bang galing sa mahirap na pamilya na umasenso?
Meron.
May kilala kang galing sa magandang pamilya, lumubog.
Dami.
So is it about external things? No, it's the internal things that you have to understand. At the end of the day, yes, the world may happen to me and I am a victim and I cannot do anything right. And the moment you're awakened, you understand you have a choice. If I don't like this shit, get out. Stop crying about it. Nobody cares. Everyone is miserable. Don't look for people to join party with you and say, kawawa ka, oo nga. Ako nga ito palakihan ng PT party. No amount of medicine, no amount of consultation, no amount of coaching, no amount of seminar can take it. Not unless you make a choice that you have the power to really own up your life. Stop blaming. Start owning up. And that's the first key. You own up to your own shit.